If this bowl was mine. Hey, ramen noodles, put it on 3 minutes, make it hot. If this bowl was mine, I'd fill it with
Hi
some
guys!
noodles
Welcome
to
to
the
Cravings
top.
Mga
If this
Sagot
bowl
Ko.
was mine, I'd
And
put
for
some
today's
extra
craving,
seasoning in the
we
pot.
have
Add a little bit of
ramen.
spice. Now
Itong
my
ramen na
mouth is
to,
on
meron
fire.
tayong Hungarian
Fire, fire,
sausage, yung shabu-shabu balls. So I think this one is squid balls. Fish tofu ata eh. This one is lobster ball. Yung isa, hindi ko talaga sure kung ano. Then we have also egg. So yun lang. Kain tayo guys. Thank you Lord. First bite.
Go ahead, add some red hot, hit the spot. I'ma dance with the pot, let it cool. It's too hot, struggle meal. No,
Maanghang.
it's not now. This bowl was filled with noodles made with love.
Yummy. So may chopstick tayo ngayon. Masarap kumain ng noodles pag naka-chopstick.
Ramen noodles for the low. Better cook it right on
Ito
the
favorite ko
stove.
to eh. Lobster balls.
If it was up to me,
So ang hinalo ko dito, cheese, Japanese mayo,
but we ain't got it, so I'll make you anything.
tas gatas.
I just wanna see you fed, wanna see you full. We got shrimp, chicken,
Harap.
beef, baby.
Ito lang sign, kumain na kayo ng ramen.
Come and sip it when it's cold. Ramen noodles, fill your soul.
Harap nito ah, fairness. Let's try the Hungarian. Wow. Sarap. Sarap. Ang sarap. Pag kinakain ko tong ramen na to, dapat may ka-share ako kasi hindi ko kayang ubusin ng dami. Sige na guys, simutin pa natin to. Thank you so much for watching! If ever na may cravings pa kayo na gusto nyo na i-try ko, please comment down below. And yun lang. Thank you so much. See you on the next one. Bye!